I've determined that a manual voting system will be used, whereby each member will be called upon and requested to voice his or her vote. In terms of the rules, all members present, when the question is put with the doors barred, must vote or record an abstention. This rule does not apply to a minister or deputy minister who is not a member of the House. Political parties have been requested to provide a list of members who will be called first when it is their party's turn to vote. After that party's list has been called, the remaining members of the party will be called alphabetically. The Secretary will call each member from the membership list, starting with those from the majority party. Members will be called by their surname, followed by their initials. In order to facilitate this process, I appeal to honourable members to indicate their vote only, without preamble or statement and without delay. Members must simply indicate yes or no or abstain. This will assist the tellers in ensuring your vote is correctly captured. In the event a member's name is called and they are present, but for whatever reason do not indicate their vote, an opportunity will be provided for such members to raise their hands after the last member is called from the list, at which point they will be recognized to cast their vote. The question before the House is that Advocate Koleka Gcaleka be recommended for appointment as Public Protector. Those in favour of the recommendation of Advocate Koleka Gcaleka for the appointment as Public Protector in terms of Section 1935 of the Constitution will say yes. Those against the recommendation of Advocate Koleka Gcaleka for appointment as Public Protector will say no. Those who want to abstain will record their vote as such. Honourable members, please note that the Secretariat will call all the names, including those of members who walked out or are absent. The only names that will not be called are those of Honourable Breitenbach and Honourable Manyi, who were directed to leave the House by the Speaker. Now, voting will now commence. The doors to the chamber will remain locked until voting is concluded. The Secretary will now proceed to call members.
Majodina, PCP.
I vote yes.
Mashatile, SP.
Yes.
Senodi, SL.
Yes.
Frolic, CT.
Yes.
Boroto, MG.
Yes.
Dombela, MLD.
I vote yes.
Dlakude, DE.
Yes.
Tseke, GK.
I vote yes.
Khadebe, BA.
Yes.
Cele, BH.
Yes.
Chikunga, LS.
Yes.
Chrissy, BD.
Yes.
Didiza, AT.
Yes.
Dlamini Zuma, NC.
Yes.
Godongwana, E.
Yes.
Godan, PJ.
Yes.
Gungubele, M.
Yes.
Kivit, N.
Yes.
Kodwa, NG.
Yes.
Kubai MT,
Yes.
Lamula RO,
Yes.
Mandashe SG,
Yes.
Mchunu ES,
Yes.
Modise TR,
Yes.
Motsecha MA,
Yes.
Motwaledi PA,
Yes.
Ndabeni Abrams
Yes.
ST, Chaveni KPS,
Yes.
Nesi TWT,
Yes.
Zimande BE,
Yes.
Pando GNM,
Yes.
Patel E,
Yes.
Pasha MJ,
Yes.
Ramokupa ML,
Yes.
Zikalala S,
Yes.
Zulu LD,
Yes.
Papela KO,
I vote yes.
Botes A,
I vote yes.
Benz Namashe Z,
Yes.
Kapa RN,
Away.
Dlomo SM,
Yes.
Gina N,
Yes.
Holomisa SP,
Yes.
Jeffrey JH,
Yes.
Kekana PS,
Extemia.
Mafu NN,
Away.
Mahlalela AF,
Yes.
Mahlobo MD,
Yes.
Majola FZ,
Yes.
Makwetla SP,
Yes.
Manamela KB,
Yes.
Mangu LN,
Yes.
Mapulane MP,
I vote yes.
Mashego Dlamini KC,
Yes.
Masondo D,
Yes.
Matale CC,
Yes.
Mahaule MR,
Yes.
Moloi BE,
Yes.
Morolong IK,
Yes.
Motaung NE,
Yes.
Kabane NP,
Yes.
Nzuza NB,
Yes.
Peters ED,
Yes.
Pilane Majake MCC,
Yes.
Squacha M,
Yes.
Soku MM,
Yes.
SWAT B,
Yes.
Tau MPF,
Yes.
Tolashe NG,
Yes.
Chabalala J,
Yes.
Chwete P,
Yes.
Abrahams PN.
Yes.
Adams RC.
Yes.
Adonis NG.
Yes.
April HG. Extemia. Bucas AJ.
Yes.
Bilangulu JH.
Ndapumela,
Bilangulu NK.
Yes.
Bongo BT.
yes,
Utelezi NS.
Yes.
Tapa N.
Yes.
Chabane MS.
yes,
Direko DR.
Yes.
Lamini ME.
yes,
Lamini NE.
Yebo.
Lamini SM.
Yes.
Dlulane BN.
Yes.
Dunjwa ML.
Yes.
Janji QR. Ya. Ganjo N.
Yes.
Gela A.
Yes.
Gomba MM.
Yes.
Gambu TT.
yes,
Sorry, Gumbu TT. My apologies. Gumede SN.
Yes.
Hadebe BM.
Yes.
Harvard X.
Yes.
Hermans J.
Extemia.
Hlongo AS.
Yes. Jacobs F.
Yes.
Jacobs KL.
Yes.
Khumalo FE. Yes. Kibi MT. Yes. Kurnov GW.
Yes.
Kodambeko ZA.
Yes.
Kubeka NJ.
Yes.
Lihwase TI.
Yes.
Lisoma RMM.
Yes.
Letsie WT.
Yes.
Lubengo ML.
Yes.
Luzipho S.
Yebo.
Make JJ.
Yes.
Mabe BP. Yes. Mabiletsa MD.
Yes.
Magaqa KE.
Yes.
Magwanishe G.
Yes.
Maambehlala T.
Yes. No soprobuyile toilet.
Mahlawule MG.
Yes.
Mahlo NP.
Kiyalimela.
Mahumapelo SOR.
Yes.
Makata TZ. Yes. Makubela Mashele LS.
Yes.
Makubela Marilele PP.
Yes.
Malachi T.
Yes.
Malimeja CN.
Yes.
Malinga VT.
Yes.
Malomane VP.
Yes.
Mamabulo JB.
I vote yes.
Mananiso JS.
Yes.
Mandela ZMD.
Ewe.
Maneli BM.
Yes.
Maneli ST.
Yes.
Manganye J.
Oh, ni manganyi. Napumela.
Marekwa GP.
Emma.
Maseko Jele NH.
Yes.
Masheho MR.
Yes.
Mashele TV.
Yes, yes.
Masiko FA.
Yes.
Masondo TS.
Yes.
Masuale GP.
Yes.
Masuku MB.
Yes.
Masuta TM. Masuta BTN. Absent. Maswanganyi MJ.
Yes.
Matafa OM.
Yes.
Matebula EF.
Yes.
Matuba MM.
Yes.
Mbata SGN.
Yes.
Mbinqo Gigaba BP.
Yes.
Mbuyane SH.
Mbuyana, yes.
McDonald LE.
McDonald, yes.
Mchunu TVB. Yes. Mdabe SW.
Yes.
Mdakane, MR.
Yes.
Mgweba, T.
Yes.
Mjobo, LN.
Yes.
Mkachwa, NT.
Yes.
Mkize, ZL.
Yes.
Mkwanazi, J, CN.
Yes.
Mlenzana, Z.
Yes.
Memezi, HMZ.
Yes.
Mutle, TN.
Akjiki, yes.
Muache, RM.
Yes.
Modise, M.
Yes.
Modise, PMP.
Yes.
Nieuwdragen, WS.
I vote yes.
Muela, DL.
I vote yes. Thank you.
Mulala, LE.
Yes.
Mulekwa, MA.
Yes.
Monakedi, MD.
Yes.
Muruane, ML.
Yes.
Muruaichetla, PR.
Yes.
Mutabo, MRM.
Kedumela.
Muteja, MS.
Yes.
Mpanza, TS.
Yes.
Mpumza, GG.
Yes.
Mpushe, PT.
Yes.
Msimango, XN.
Yes.
Mthembu, AH.
Yeah.
Mvana, NQ.
Yes.
Mieni, ET.
Yes.
Miolwa, DJ.
Yes.
Ndaba, CN.
Ngiyavuma.
Ngweng, GN.
Oh, yes, yes.
Nkomo, Z.
Yes.
Nkosi, BS.
Yes.
Nontsele, M.
Yes.
North Nahal, J.
Yes.
Ngola, X.
I vote yes.
Ntobongwana, N.
Yes.
Ntuli, MM.
Yes.
Ntwane, Ntwane, JC.
Yes.
Papo, AHM.
Yes.
Patrain, S. Patrain, S. Absent. Peacock, NP.
I vote yes.
Pehle, PA.
Kedumela.
Piri, CM.
I vote yes.
Peterson, ML.
I vote yes.
Pillay, KB.
Yes.
Haiso, XS.
Yes.
Ramadwa, MM.
Yes.
Ramulobeng, A.
Yes.
Siabi, AM.
Yes.
Simenya, MR.
Kedumela.
Shabalala, LF.
Ngiyavuma.
Sibia, DP.
Yes, yes.
Sihlwayi, NN.
Away.
Siwela, VS.
Yes.
Siweya, RT.
Yes.
Skosana, GJ.
Yes.
Somio, SS.
Yes.
Stock, DM.
Yes.
Klape, MME.
Yes.
Tlomelang, KB.
Yes.
Tobias, TV.
Yes.
Tseki MA.
Ke dumellana le tlhahiso.
Chwete B. Chwete B, absent. Shobeka Makeke,
Yes.
NP. Van Skagbeek, SR.
Yes.
Volmarans MJ.
Ke a dumela.
Kaba NV.
Ngiyavuma.
Kaba VS.
Ngiyavuma.
VC, sorry. Kaba Chaba PP.
Ngiyavuma.
Kasa FD.
Yes.
Kego ST.
Yes.
Yabo BS.
Yes.
Zibula BT.
Yes.
Zondi MA.
Yebo.
Zuma AS.
Yes.
Zungu TRM.
Ngiyavuma.
Zwane MJ.
Ngiyavuma.
Steenhuisen JH. Absent. Guarube S. Latriet A. Van der Walt D. Horn W. Masango BS. Gondwe MM. Krumbok GR. De Freitas MSF. Mare SJF, Kaule D, Hoosen MH, Maglua JJ, George DT, Faber WF.
Abrahams ALA. Alexandra WR. Bagram M. Basson LJ. Begman D. Bolani T. Bond MS. Byron DW. Kachalia GKY. Kado MJ. Chetty M. Clark MO. Cuthbert MJ. De Villiers JN. Engelbrecht J. Essak F. Golding BC. Graham SJ. Hicklin MB. Hansinger CHH. Ismail H. Joseph D. Khahau KL. Kanyile TA. Kumalo NV. King CV. Kriya HCC. Legoff TA. Liz RA. Lorima JRB. Mabena TB. Mabika MS. McPherson DW. Majola TR. Malati MS. Maray EJ. Masipa NP. Matsone NWA. Mbabama TM. Mbele ZN. Mhlongo TW. Milham KJ. Mo SJ. Mpiti L. Mybeck NG.
Nobo S. Notata BB. Opperman G. Phillips C. Powell EL. Rose AC. Serpent AN. Schreiber LA. Seitolo IS. Sharif NK. Shelembe, ML, small JF, Spies, EJR, Stab, DJ, Tereblanche, OS, Van Dijk, V, Van Minen, PM, Van Zeel, AM, Walters, TCR, Weber, AMM, Whitfield, AG, Winkler, HS.
Malema, JS, Shivambu, NF, Mente, NV, Dlamini, MM, Maodwe, OMC, Dozi, MQ, Mashabela, NR, Mkalipi, HO, Tlangwini, EN, Aris, LH, Keza, K, Chira, NN, Hlonyana, KNF, Kaula, MS, Koza, AV, Komane, RN, Mandlingozi, BS, Mafanya, WTI, Makamba, Boja, N, Makesini, M, Mare, P, Matulelwa, B, Matias, NS, Matumba, A, Mhlongo, N, Mkondo, CN, Mohale, T, Mohlala, MR, 120, MK, Mtetwa, E, Loluchungu, NJ, Pambo, V, Paulson, MZ, Shikwambana, M, Siwisa, AM, Sonti, NP, Tambo, S, Tekyana, Y, Tembekwayo, SS, Tito, LF, Yako, YN.
Sabisa, VK.
Tlabisa, VF, vote yes.
Singh, N.
Yes.
Buthelezi, EM.
Yes.
Lobo, SL.
Yes.
Ebekulu, RN.
Yes.
Majozi, Z.
Yes.
Buthelezi, SA. Absent. Klangwa, MD.
Yes.
Klangwa, M.
Yes.
Lutuli, BN.
Yes.
Msimang, CT.
Yes.
Sitole, KP.
Yes.
Panamerve, LL.
Ek stem ja.
Zondo, SS.
Yeah.
Groenewald, PJ.
Ek stem nee.
Mulder, CP.
Absent.
Wessels, WW.
Ek stem nee.
Boshoff, WJ.
Nee.
Breed, T.
Nee.
Groenewald, IM.
Ek stem nee.
May, P.
Ek stem nee.
Mulder, FJ.
Ek stem nee.
Van Staden, PA.
Ek stem nee.
Honorable Speaker.
Denner, H.
Nee.
Sorry.
Meshu, KRJ.
No.
Swart, SN.
No.
Pring, MWM.
No.
Sukers, ME.
Absent.
Wolomisa, BH. Absent. Kwangwa, NLs. Absent. Zingula, V. Absent. Machawu, TL. Absent.
Delil P.
Yes.
Heron BN.
Yes.
Sheikh Imam AM.
Yebo.
Galo MP. Absent. Jafta SM.
Yes.
Lekota MGP. Absent. Luate T. Absent. Nyonso M. Absent. Hendricks MGE.
Yes.
Honorable members, as I indicated earlier, members who remained present but could not, when called, indicate their vote may now raise their hands, after which I will recognize them to indicate their vote. The Secretariat will assist the Chair in this regard. Honorable members, it seems there are none. Now I will await the Secretariat to provide me with a list of results.
Well, they've got the calculators out on their cell phones. The magic number, as I understand it, 60% of 400. So you need to get 60% of members of Parliament to vote in favour. 400 MPs, that would be 240, or so my calculator tells me. And as we know, the EFF and the DA and the UDM and COPE and the PAC all not in Parliament today. So it comes down then to the numbers. Now, by my count, there were two people who were expected to be there who were not there. One ANC MP and I think one IFP MP. I also noticed that President Cyril Ramaphosa is not there. I think he's attending the state visit. So at the moment, that may mean that 3 MPs, by my maths, that were going to vote in favour are not doing that. You'll notice the Deputy President, Paul Mashatile, is there. So it is going to be a little close, I suspect, as to whether or not Koleka will, in fact, get through this vote to go into the office of the Public Protector. If Parliament does vote in her favour, they do get past that threshold of 60%, then it goes to the President, and the President makes the formal announcement. Just to go back a little bit in history, by the way, the last 2 times this happened, Busiziwe Mkhwebane was voted into office with support of the ANC and the EFF. The DA opposed her, and before her, Thuli Madonsela was elected unanimously. We want to go back a little bit further. Lawrence Mushwana and Selby Bakwa, both, of course, overwhelming support from the ANC, which was politically dominant in Parliament at the time. Things have changed, of course, since that time, going all the way back to sort of 2002, and I think Selby Bakwa elected to the office in 1995, so starting the office really from scratch. So this is where we are. We'll wait to see if 240 people inside the Cape Town City Hall, sitting as Parliament, have voted in favour of Koleka as the new Public Protector of the Republic of South Africa. So we await the vote then, and the actual tally. As you can see, the officials have got their calculators out. We see the MPs. I think some not really anxiously awaiting, just awaiting, I suppose, would be the correct way to put this, waiting to see what the result of this vote will be. Interesting to note how many, particularly on the ANC benches, I think, are wearing Palestinian scarves in solidarity with the situation in Gaza and the people suffering there at the moment, although we did see earlier a member of the ACDP voicing his support for Israel and condemning the Hamas attacks on Israel that occurred not this last weekend, but the weekend before that. I must just tell you how important over time the Office of the Public Protector has been. You may remember the Nkandla judgment from 2015-2016, and that judgment in the Constitutional Court, which made the finding that the remedial powers, the findings, the remedial action of a public protector is in fact binding on anyone, including the President. And this, of course, has given the office huge power. Many will know the contention, the huge fights over Busisiwe Mkhwebane and her conduct in the office.
All right.
Here we
Thank
go.
you very much, honourable members. The results of the division are as follows. Yes, 244. The noes 12. And then abstention 0. The rest, as you know, were absent. Thank you very much. The question is agreed to, and Advocate Koleka Gcaleka is accordingly recommended for appointment as Public Protector. Honourable Member, the House is now adjourned. Thank you very much.